Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to add captcha on WordPress pop-up contact form. In few days ago I show you a tutorial about how to add a WordPress pop-up contact form, and you can see it here. If you check my playlist here, I'll already give that link. Still I will show you. This is how to make a pop-up contact form in WordPress. It is in my channel, so you can easily understand this video tutorial. I'll give you here. I will give you the link here. Let's copy the link here from here. Copy, and I will give you this description. How to make a pop-up contact form. Yes, I put the URL here. So how to make a pop-up contact form, and here is some common text. Spam is a big issue nowadays, so we need to use captcha at least to stop spam through contact form. Here is the pop-up contact form used plugin to stop spam, and here is the plugin I will use. I just put the link here. Here is the plugin, and it is very easy to use. It is something like show like this. I already added it on of my site. You see contact form 7 captcha, image captcha. Then how can I add it? Just go for contact. Here is the contact form, and here if we go on front side, you will see my pop-up contact form here. Hold a second, site is quite slow. So here if you check request appointment, this one, here is the captcha. Here you see that. So how can I use it? So let's see it. And pop-up contact page, this is the pop-up contact page. So after you install that plugin, you have nothing to do. You just edit it. You just get a option like image captcha here, and you will see I have added it here. It will just add like this image captcha, and this is the tag, and just click insert. It will insert it here like it is inserted here. So this is how you can add a captcha with your pop-up contact form easily. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.